Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make Firegate and Fireball edit. I don't want to take your time, so want this? This video you saw was made on After Effects, but today I'm going to show you how we can make it on Capcut. So don't close video if you're not lazy and want to make best edit and enjoy. Open Capcut and add your clips. Delete this end screen. Go to speed, curve and make slow in end, because when we add Firegate we need a slow motion.
They deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Now we have something like this. Now stop when player shooting, go to overlay and add this one. I put everything in my Telegram channel. In this episode we want to make Fireball, but if you just want to learn Firegate, you can skip this part. Now make keyframes and move your Fireball with ball like me.
Got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it.
Now go to animation, fade in and fade out. Go to motion blur, blur 20 and blend 45. Now stop your timeline when the ball went to the goal and screenshot and make a new project and add your screenshot. Make it big.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row,
Go to overlay and add this.
Call me CEO, I've been running right, see.
Go to blend, filter and put it on gate like me. It's little hard, but if you're smart, so you can do it easy.
I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate, going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want to taste me, you can try me. If you want to hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want to taste me, you can fucking try me. If you want to hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you
After
gotta
that, you
work
put
for,
everyone
believe
like me.
Taking
Click on your
hands to play,
background
both
and
hands can lay
change
their own
location
brand, and damn, I
or
feel like
get
no
a
one
black
takes
screen
accountability. They want
under the
credibility,
gate.
convincingly unwilling
Now
to
export
push
it and add it on previous project.
sour. Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God,
Go to
they all
blend
let me
and
down.
filter.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth
Now
it if you
put
work
in
for it.
on gate
It's only worth it if
when
you work
fireball
for it.
ending like
I won't
this.
stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
And make keyframes and move it with the gate.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Go to motion blur and add this setting.
I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Now we have something like this, but we want an explosion. For make it, go to overlay and add this. Go to blend, filter, put it when ball reaches the goal. Make keyframes and move it with gate.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making
Add
change,
motion
I've been
blur
working
like
this
me.
exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name, I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness.
Now go to this clip and copy it one time to be more visible. Now you're done and you can see the preview. I made it not as so good, but you can make it better if you try more. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. See you later.